The theory that chemtrails are poisoning us suggests that the white lines left behind by airplanes in the sky, commonly known as contrails, are actually something far more sinister. Chemtrail theorists argue that these trails are not just harmless water vapor or condensation, but instead a form of deliberate chemical spraying by governments or shadowy organizations. According to proponents of the theory, these chemicals are being released into the atmosphere for a variety of dark purposes, including mind control, weather manipulation, and even population control. The concept first gained traction in the late 1990s when people began noticing the persistent, crisscrossing trails left in the sky after planes passed overhead. Unlike typical contrails, which dissipate quickly, these chemtrails linger and spread, leading some to believe that they are designed to affect the environment or the population. Some theorists claim that the chemicals being sprayed could be used to manipulate the weather, creating droughts, storms, or altering climate patterns in an effort to control global weather systems. Others argue that the chemicals are intended for mind control, with the theory positing that the government is spraying substances into the atmosphere that alter human behavior or cognitive function. Perhaps one of the most extreme claims is that chemtrails are part of a population control agenda where harmful substances are introduced into the air to reduce or weaken populations over time. The theory suggests that these chemicals may be poisoning people slowly, contributing to health problems, respiratory issues, and even genetic damage, all in the name of a larger, hidden agenda. Skeptics argue that the chemtrail theory is based on misunderstanding and fear, pointing out that contrails are simply condensation formed when hot, moist air from a plane's engines meets the cold air in the atmosphere. Scientists and meteorologists have repeatedly debunked the chemtrail claims, explaining that the lingering trails are simply a normal result of aviation and atmospheric conditions. Despite the scientific explanations, the chemtrail theory persists among certain groups, fueled by mistrust of governments and institutions. Whether as a symbol of fear or a call to uncover hidden truths, the chemtrail conspiracy remains a striking example of how misinformation can spread and shape our view of the world above us.